Hey, we're back with another episode of Willis Talk and another Bel Air. And I'm talking about Prince of Bel Air. I'm talking about this Bel Air. A beautiful machine out of Kaiser, 1955 Chevy Bel Air. And man, is it a beaut. There is so many beauties here, you don't know which one to pick. But you know, there's a few that I have that I do think is kind of like my favorites right here. Until the next episode of Willis Talk, stay tuned for more. You never know what I'm going to find, who I'm going to find, or what might next pop up on Willis Talk.